guys, you've made it to the end of the program. It's time to leave the nest and get a career. This is what we've been working for. This is why you're here. So the number one thing I can say is to have confidence. You've gone through 600 hours of training. That puts you far ahead of any other person trying to apply for the same job. You guys should go forth with confidence, and good luck.
It was great. I enjoyed all of it. Just like, definitely everything was new for me.
My time here in the Fab School was excellent. I had a lot of fun here. I like the people, the environment.
Filled with learning, and the hardest project I would have to say was probably the tabs.
I learned a lot.
I had a great time and I learned lots of new things.
I enjoyed it. Did a lot of cool projects, learned a lot of cool stuff. Never had any experience in fabrication or welding. I guess anything experience-wise. But I feel like I learned a lot, and I guess if you just stick to it, then you'll just kick ass.
My time at the Fab School was really cool. I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot. My favorite project was probably the aluminum base because it challenged me the hardest.
Fabrication sounds amazing. I mean, building your own cars, your own project can't get much better than that, really. Something I always want to do, and this is a perfect outlet to do that.
I came down here from Sacramento, not really knowing anybody. I mean, I have family down in San Diego, but it was kind of like another jump, kind of doing it by myself. Had to find a place to stay, and went through the weird process of meeting roommates for the first time and not really knowing what to do. Came into the class, didn't really know anybody, didn't talk really for the first 2 months to anybody, but we're all friends now, and I can't ask for a different class to be in.
Time at Fab School was amazing. I loved it. Like to do it again if I can.
I'd definitely say I was intimidated for no reason. Everyone here is super welcoming, and it was a great experience.
Well, I came after many, many years of experience in different fields, and I really wanted to do something more artistic, and this is definitely a place to go. Technical and artistic, best of both worlds, and I enjoyed all my time there.
I had Jake and Marcio, and they're pretty cool people, got a lot of experience and knowledge, and when one instructor can't answer something, the other one can step in and take over. So thanks a lot for everything.
My instructors were great. Jake is funny, Marcio's and Ronnie, and they're just cool to hang out with, learn from. Going into suspension with Ronnie, I was kind of nerve-wracking and stuff, but how Ronnie explained everything, it helped me learn it, so I had fun. Can't wait to use that when I go home and stuff. So thank you guys for helping me, let me learn from you guys. Hope to see you guys again.
I really liked all my instructors, and I really liked the learning environment because they don't really seem like instructors to you. They're more like a friend. Just really knowledgeable friend.
I think the instructors did a real great job, all three of them, Marcio, Jake, and Ronnie. They were very open-minded and very willing to help, and just appreciate that.
Really good job, they're very knowledgeable.
I really liked Marcio, and Jake was super cool too, but we lost him unfortunately once we went to the advanced portion. And Ronnie's super cool, I really like him, he teaches me a lot. Marcio's taught me the most probably will miss Marcio the most, but other than that, thank you so much for all your help, and I hope to use my skills in the working force.
My instructors were very knowledgeable, such as Marcio and Ronnie. They taught me lots of new, exciting fabrication. Thank you. I had a great time.
And overall, I mean, they're all great, knowledgeable people. Ronnie has, by far, a vast amount of knowledge, and you can't really go wrong with any of his expertise.
Thank you guys for all the help. I really appreciate it. I mean, definitely could not have taught myself how to do everything that we've learned here, and I just really appreciate the work that you guys have put in.
You guys are awesome. I learned a lot from everything you guys taught me, and then
definitely got chewed out. I'm never gonna forget those.
They were cool. Fun.
Jake, Marcio, and Ronnie, and that kind of covers any knowledge that you need to get. Anyone who you ask, they'll give you a really good answer, and if they don't know it, then they'll go out of their way and just find it.
Very knowledgeable. Everybody seems to have their own specialty, and they all work together, and all of them are available at all times. So you can always get every piece you need from each one of them.
You guys rock.
I'm gonna miss all you guys. All you guys are great. Like, I had really good times, and like, there's definitely a handful of you that I'm never gonna forget. You guys are very distracting. Honestly, I'll never own a shop with any of you guys, just because we wouldn't get anything done. But you guys are a bunch of great dudes. Like, you guys are gonna be my friends for years to come.
They were awesome. Meeting new people from different places.
You guys are a bunch of kooks, but I enjoyed every bit of it.
They're all different, but they're all special in some kind of way.
It was a cool experience. It reminded me of middle school, but other than that,
Just wish you guys all the best luck in finding jobs in the future, and hopefully they come pretty easily.
Hope you guys do good, find jobs, do good out there in the world.
I mean, best of luck to all of you. Hopefully you get a job doing what you love.
You guys all have your own little quirks that make everything much more fun than it should have been.
Never stop pushing forward, guys. Just remember, when one door closes, another one will open up for you somewhere. Penny is up in the office. She's always going to be here for you guys with fresh job leads, and always stay in contact with us. Yep, I'm always going to be here for you guys.
Good. Well, it's been 6 months. Thank you guys for giving me the chance to teach you, show you some of my tricks. The only one thing I can say is good luck. I hope you guys do good in the fabrication industry. If you guys need any advice for any problems you might run into, don't hesitate to give me a call. I'll be here for you guys whenever you guys need me. So with that, again, good luck, and see you guys later.